I am Abdul Wahab, a data engineer trainee at Zoined, and this is a look at my usual workday. So my role is hybrid based, so today I am working from home, and this is my setup. It is my productivity corner where I spend most of my day. So what is Zoined? Zoined build plug and play analytics for retailers and wholesalers. We connect to systems like POS, e-commerce, ERPs, people counters, and review sources, extract their data, analyze it, and publish clear dashboards and schedule reports so decision makers can act fast. So where I fit in, I bring new data sources into Zoined and keep the numbers dependable. I start with R&D on data mappings, figuring out how external fields could be mapped to Zoined entities. Then I build the ETL integrations which extract the data from source APIs, validate and transform the data into Zoined schemas, and eventually post through Zoined ingestion API so it lands the warehouse and keeps the dashboard fresh. I also support customers by setting up their portals, investigating their data issues, and also I join our weekly tech meetings to sync up with the team. On the implementation side, I mainly use Scala with Play framework to build the ETL integrations. For the current task, I'm also using Google Places API, which I'll come back to it later. MariaDB is also used as one of the data storage, and the normalized data is published through Zoined API, which we call Zappy, into the Vertica database for feeding up the dashboards. Apart from this, I've also worked on Python for quick scripts, and I've also used Google Analytics 4 along with BigQuery for web analytics tasks. Today I'm working on Google Reviews integration tasks where for each store we either use the Google Maps URL or its place ID to fetch its review from a service. Google Place API is key here, which is used to fetch place ID based on text address. Reviews are mapped into customer feedback both on abstract and detailed level through Zappy, and the data is ingested into the warehouse database. A last review date checkpoint also ensures that each run pulls only new reviews. Right now, I'm fixing an encoding edge case where some reviews includes emoji and it is causing errors when storing into database. On Tuesdays, we sync on progress, blockers, and what is next to ship. Apart from this task, I've also built a store's visitor counter connector for one of the client and explored Google Analytics 4 along with BigQuery for web analytics integration in Zoin. So both works on the principle of ETL. Some days I commute from Turku to our Helsinki office. It's a bit of a ride, but pairing and quick whiteboard chats with team make it all worth it. So here are a few glimpses from our office. Here's the office entrance. Inside it, it's cozy with plenty of focus corners. And yes, a superb coffee machine. That alone is a good motivation to come in. And sadly, I didn't take a close-up picture of it. Beyond the work, going into the office let me catch up with peers, have good conversation with them, and often to grab lunch together. This internship sharpened not only my technical skills but my interpersonal skills as well through client communication and sport tickets handling. It improved my communication and enhanced my ability to explain technical issues plainly and in a digestible way to clients. I now feel more proficient in designing incremental, resilient ETL pipelines that turn raw data sources into useful metrics. So, thanks to Edis and Zoin for this opportunity.